Instead of using a photo frame, you can also customize your music frame with an art panel. First, gather the 4 included art panel holders and the guide, which will help you align them evenly. On the rear of your art panel, position the guide piece on one of the corners. It will fit smoothly into place. Now, peel off the protective tape from one of the holders. Using the guide, carefully position this first holder on the rear of the art panel. Make sure the ends fit squarely into each side of the guide. Repeat this process on each corner. Lastly, align the 4 holder guideposts on the rear of the art panel with the 4 holes in the frame. Start with the top 2 holes and tilt into place before inserting the bottom 2. Now enjoy your custom framed artwork in your Samsung Music Frame.